Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for an orange and fruit scone. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take our self-raising flour and we'll just put that through a sieve just to get a little more air into it. Then we're going to stir in some caster sugar and just give that a quick stir around. Then we're going to add some softened butter and we're just going to take a couple of minutes and rub that in. So now that our butter is rubbed in and it's like a breadcrumb mixture, we're going to add our orange rind. And then we're going to add some dried fruit. I've just used currants and sultanas, but you can use whichever dried fruit you have. Again, give that a stir around. Just make sure everything's all together incorporated. So now that our mixture's all come together, we're going to pour in some milk. Just do this in bits because you don't want the dough to become too wet. So now that our dough has formed a sticky soft mixture, we're just going to set it to the side. We'll take some more flour and we'll just dust our chopping board with the flour. Now we'll pour the mixture onto the flour board and we'll just knead it for a couple of minutes just to remove any cracks. Try not to overwork your dough because it will become tough when you bake it. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. So now that our dough is kneaded, we're just going to form it into a circle. Take a rolling pin and roll it out till it's about 1 inch or about 3 centimeters thick. Then we'll take a baking tray and we'll just dust it with some flour. Now using a pastry cutter, we'll cut out the scones to the size that we want. And then we'll take a little bit of milk and we'll just brush the top of them. Now just to give them a little bit of an extra glaze, we're going to sprinkle some granulated sugar over the top. And then we'll take them over to a preheated oven, which is 210 degrees centigrade, 190 fan or 425 Fahrenheit. We'll bake those for 10 to 15 minutes just until they've risen. As you can see, our scones are cooked, they're risen, they're nice and golden. It's time to serve. So just let them cool for a few minutes and then we'll slice them in the middle. I like to serve mine with some Kerrygold butter. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my further videos.